Hey family, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing a super hydrating and sleeping pre-poo using one of the best natural ingredients, okra. If you are struggling with dry, detangled hair, this DIY okra gel pre-poo will be a game changer. I will walk you through the benefit, how to make it, and how to apply it. It is the maximum moisturizing and definition. Stay tuned and see how it will go. Well, this is my okra, okay? I'm putting the okra on the fire. I'm going to boil it. This amount is okay because I will still add oil inside. But please, if you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is your first time across in this channel, kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. Now you guys can see that I'm boiling my okra. This thing, as I said, I'm going to take you guys step by step and how to apply it because I'm going to use it for my daughter. My daughter is having protectable star and I'm going to open it. It's very nice. Not only okra, you can use flaxseed gel also to make your pre-poo. You can use fenugreek seed to make your pre-poo. You can use aloe vera gel to make your pre-poo. It depends. Anything that having something like slippery, for me I like things that having slippery, so it may be if you also type of me, you can use something, anything that having that slippery, so that it will be easier for you to use it. Okay, now guys, I put 2 tablespoons of infusing oil inside and I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of honey. Okay, 1 teaspoon honey I put inside, but the oils look at my face like it's not enough, so I'll add 1 more tablespoon of oil inside to make it 3 tablespoons. This oil I infuse it by myself. You can check my channel, you can see different type of infusing oil, anyone that you want. You can grab it, the ingredients, and put the oil that is belong for your hair. So now after mixing everything, now I'm hydrating my daughter hair. I have to make the head get ready before I apply the okra gel to her head. This thing pre-poo, you can use it maybe 2 times in a week or 1 time in a week. It depends of your hair quantity, how your hair will feel. If you feel like your hair is okay, the moisturizing is okay enough, then you can make maybe once in a week or 2 times in a week. It depends. And also if you are washing it, because it's good when you are going to wash your hair, you make the pre-poo to your hair before wash it. Or if you have protectable style and you are going to open your hair, you braid your hair, whether twins or mini braids, or you just make some rasta, you have to put this thing inside your head before do what, before start to open your hair, so that it will make the hair easier and soft. You will not feel pain, you will not feel breakages, you will not feel breaking, your hair breaking. It will help you to manage your hair very well, to protect your hair very well from breaking. So after putting it inside the scalp, you have to be massaging your scalp the way I'm doing to my daughter. So what I'm doing, she wants to be playing, so I'm doing it this way, just making it fast because I don't want the video to be long. But I finish now. I'm going to cover it for her to sit like 30 minutes, and 30 minutes down we'll continue. Guys, you can see after I allow her sit like 30 minutes, now I'm opening her head. I'm using my finger to making finger detangling because I don't want to use comb now. I usually use comb when I'm washing her head, whether I put shampoo or after shampoo, and I put the deep condition or cleanser condition. That's the time that I'm using comb inside her head. If not, I'm not just be using comb anyhow into her head. So I love to use my finger because before I started doing these things, the videos that I'm also was seeing, I saw one lady say that for her, even she cannot even remember the last time she put comb inside her head. She always using the fingers to be making the tangle for herself. She's not using comb. Comb is just like once after she just wash and do everything, she's going to make maybe another protectable side. That's the time that you can see her use the comb, and she's having beautiful hair, not hair alone, so many people. And I'm also say, why not? For me, I destroy my hair, and now, okay, fine, things has changed now. It's not like first again. So my daughter hair, I don't need to put any joking single joke on it. So I have to take my daughter hair to another level. I have to take it seriously for taking good care of it, good care of her head very seriously. So that is why I'm also take that strategy. I'm not combing her hair anyhow. Especially when I'm opening her hair like this, I'll be removing the bad hair. You can see the notes. Only this small thing that I when I open, I'll be seeing inside her head, and it's making me. I'm making myself happy. I'm seeing myself happiness with, even when I'm opening her hair, or when I'm going to make it this way, because the head is the breaking from the head. It's not like, it's not breaking. I will not see any breaking from her hair, so it's making me more happy, because it's not breaking anyhow. Even that is why maybe I'm seeing more changes. Her hair is growing like this, because if your hair is breaking, definitely you cannot grow long hair, you cannot maintain your hair length. Okay, so after doing it this way, I'm twisting it. The most important, when you make your hair and you are opening it, try to be making it section by section. If you are going to wash it, please don't be washing your hair like you are washing a cloth. Clothes that you put inside a saucepan or a pan. Sorry, I say saucepan. Cloth like you put your clothes inside a pan and be washing it that way. No, don't wash your hair in that way. Don't be washing your hair. Also need to be gentle. Sometimes when you are washing your hair, you have to be gentle on your hair, and also make sure you section your hair. You make your hair section by section. Even if your head is not long enough to make, I know some people have long hair. You can divide it maybe three, or maybe you can divide it even more than four, because I know my daughter hair is not all that long. So I'm always dividing it into four parts, or okay, four section. I'm dividing it into four section. So you can divide it into four section, or you can divide it into three section or six section. If your hair also is not long up to my daughter hair, you can make it like six section or eight section, no problem. To wash it, make sure you're washing it section by section. Okay, so that you make it very clear before you are, when you even washing. Don't forget, try to be using deep conditioner or cleanser conditioner in your hair. That cleanser conditioner also, normally you can do it as the way I'm doing my daughter hair. You can wash your hair, make sure that your hair is washed. You can come out and make it sit like, let's say, 30 to 40 minutes, okay, and go back and rinse it with water. But if you have time, I'm talking about experience, or if you have time. But if you don't have time and you know that you have cleanser conditioner to cleanser your hair, or you have something like deep conditioner to put your hair, then when you just wash your hair, immediately when you wash your hair, the next thing you are going to do, put your conditioner or your deep cleanser condition or your deep treatment, put it inside your hair while you are still inside the bathroom, and start to take yourself bath yourself. At least taking yourself a shower, maybe it will take you like 15 minutes, right, for you to wash your body down. So if it's taking you 15 minutes, then you apply the thing and sit like, while you are bathing, you just leave it inside your hair. By the time you will finish bathing, that time the head also, it will be okay for you to do what, to rinse it with the water and come out and clean yourself after you put your moisturizing inside, moisturizing leave-in condition, or you put your butter or whatever that you are using, you put inside your hair. Or if you are going to go ahead and do hot oil treatment, because normal wash day is a long process. This video also, I wish I can put all the video into one clip so that people will see the full video about the wash day. When people are saying that today is my wash day, it means is a really wash day, because you have a lot of process to go through. You will wash, do pre-poo to your hair. After pre-poo, my daughter is dancing. Guys, you can see my daughter is dancing. You are going to make the pre-poo. After pre-poo, you are going to wash. If you are a adult person or mature person I'm talking about, After washing it, you will put your deep cleanser inside, you wait again, you make hot oil treatment, maybe you make your head mask also. All this thing is taking time. But the child, when your child is like 2 years, because what things that I'm doing, just do it to maybe a child that close to 2 years or 2 years above, okay? But some people also saying that even when you are going to be using it, you have to try your daughter to see if she doesn't have any allergy. Even you yourself also use some part to make some section to try yourself. If you don't have any allergy or from that ingredient, then you can use it. But if you see that your body is started itching you, then it means it's not good for you. You have to stop what you are using. Okay, you have to stop it, maybe change another one again, change another thing, because we have a lot of natural ingredients that you can use to boost your hair or to get a healthy scalp. Because all the time I'm saying a healthy scalp is coming through from the healthy hair. So if you have the healthy scalp, definitely you are going to have a healthy hair. So now I'm doing it, guys. You can see now my daughter is just left me. Actually, I'm almost done, and she want to make a problem to me, but I'm done now. I'm done now. So now the remaining okra gel, that one I'm been after remove like this, I'm putting it inside her head and massage it again before do what, before twist it back. I'm twisting it back. When you guys notice anything that what I'm doing and I'm twisting it back, I'm not removing the hair and leave it that way. So because it's not good for you, not only my daughter and not for me also, it's for all of us. If you have a hair in your, whether it is a natural hair or is a permy hair, whatever that you have in your hair, it's not good for you to just leave open your hair, you leave it this way, you go and start taking shower. Try to do what, try to make it section by section, twisted it. When you open even one, twist one. When you open two, you add it and twist it. That is the way that I'm doing until I finish everything. Maybe if you guys notice, so you will be doing that way before you go to your shower or your bathroom to bath yourself. Hey, my princess. Yes. Okay, let me remove it. So guys, that is what we are doing, and it's helping me and my daughter to grow our natural hair, because like this thing is working for me. Okay, it's working for me. Stop, princess. What is that? What do you want? What do you want? So now my daughter is watching something on inside the TV, in the TV, but I'm scared because sometimes if they just play a music and that music enter, I may get copyright. They may tell me copyright. So I was lower the volume, but I think it's not working for me and her because she want me to increase the volume. So that's it, my sisters, my mothers. That is what my daughters. That is how you have to be doing if you really want to grow your hair long or healthy hair. You have to make sure that you're taking good care of your hair, protecting your hair from breaking. Just imagine if your hair is dry. Everybody have long hair, everybody. By the beginning I don't know that, but now the way I did my own research, even everybody head is growing. There's nobody will say, oh, I don't have long hair or my hair is not growing. If your hair is not growing because your hair is not getting the proper moisturizing, you are not moisturizing your hair properly, that is why your hair is not growing. If not, everybody hair is growing. So after I finish everything, I have to cover it this way and allow her to sit down like 30 minutes to 1 hour before I can take her and go and take a shower. So try to be moisturizing your hair properly, and you see the changes this year. Your hair also, you yourself, you will see your natural hair, and you are asking yourself, oh, am I the one have this natural hair like this? Yes, you are the one, because the beginning you don't know, so you are not taking proper care of your hair. So you don't know the importance of taking care of your natural hair or your hair. But after you get to know the importance of taking care of your hair, definitely you are going to get your hair is going to grow. Because some people have time, maybe they can be moisturizing their hair maybe once in a day, once in a week, And some people also can be moisturizing them maybe once in 2 times, so that will not help you. You can see my daughter hair. So guys, that is my daughter hair. Now I'm going to make another protectable style for her again. So please, if you watch it up to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. I love you all. Bye bye.